Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can loop your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, if you just want to loop them for playback, you can very easily do that. You can do that either from the cut or the edit page. I'm just going to go to the edit page, close down the media pool, and as you can see right below the preview, you have this sort of looping arrow icon. You just want to click on that, and now, as you can see, if I play the video, let me just cut it in one place so that I make the video shorter, just so that it goes by faster. Let me just cut it right here, and I'll delete the parts after it. And now, as you can see, the video is still looped, and if I play it, once it gets to the end over here, it should loop around back again. And as you can see, it loops in the preview page. Now, you can loop it like that. However, if you want to loop it once you export it, you can also do that. And what you need to do is just create copies of the video. Just click on the video, hold Alt and click and drag, and as you can see, it creates another copy of that exact same video. Now, what you can do is get them together. You can select both of them again, and then you can create copies of both of them like so, and you can pretty much do that however many times you want, and you'll create copies of those videos very easily. And that's pretty much it. Now, this isn't looped very well, but let me just delete that. And now, as you can see, the video will loop itself in continuously. Once it gets to the second part, it loops again, and so on and so forth until it gets to the end. And those are two ways in which you can loop your videos. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.